Welcome back, guys, to Spot That Deal. And today we're covering a beard product. As you can see, I went for a haircut and a beard trim. Beard was getting too long and was just irritating me. But today we're covering this because I know there's a lot of guys that love beards, and that there's actually guys that wants to grow a beard but don't want to go through that itching part of growing a beard. Now this product is perfect for that because it will totally eliminate that itching and that scratching, and it will let you grow a nice full beard. It's also when beards gets like stocky and hard and rigid, this product will just soften your beard and moisturize it. Even the skin underneath will moisturize that and will keep your beard healthy and looking good. It's got a 6,100 customer reviews with a 4.5 star rating. It's an Amazon Choice product, so this is definitely a good product. It's proven itself. Don't even go and look further for any other product for your beard. It's a natural product made with organic ingredients. You get it in a 2-ounce tin. We're giving you a 5% discount, so it's $10.86. You won't get a deal like that again. You can even subscribe and save even more, up to 15%. You can even save up to 15%, guys, if you act now. Let's just read about this product. It's handcrafted in the USA. Like I said, soften coarse and rogue hairs, stop the itch and eliminate beard draft. You get the beard draft on you, so it's softened. It just moisturizes the skin and makes your skin also healthy. It's the best for your beard, guaranteed, and it's the most trusted brand for beards in the world. And mostly guys buy it with the oil and then this little beard kit where you get the combs and the little scissor width. So this is truly a good product. I won't even go and look for any other beard balm. I will only use this. So click on the promo link, get that 15% off on that product. Click on that promo link. Remember, guys, to subscribe. I need some followers. Please subscribe. I'm making 2 videos every day on different products. We go through a lot of products and we just get the best possible products with the best possible deals for you guys. But we need subscribers, otherwise I'm just speaking to myself the entire day, and I'm not crazy, believe me. I just want to get these products out there, in this times where it's hard financially on everyone. I want to get the best deals out there for you guys. So go and grab this product. Don't wait, act today. And remember, click the bell button for notifications when I've got new videos. I promise you, I'm making 2 videos every day. Every day since we started this channel, we've been making 2 videos a day, and we want to grow this channel. We want to just get a lot of guys that we can give the best possible deals. So till I see you again with a new exciting product, keep on subscribing and go and get this beard balm. It's very good. It's a good product, guys. Go and get it. See you. Cheers.